Hello kids, welcome to Magic Kids World. Let's learn animal sound. Dog. Look. Who's this? Yes, it's a dog. Dog says. Can you say that? Lion. W. It's a lion, the king of jungle. Lynn says. Can you roar like a lion? Cat. And this is a cat. Kitten Wally cat. Cat says. Repeat after me. Horse. Here comes the horse running fast. Horse says. Try with me. Cow. This is a cow, lovely and humble cow. Cow says. Say with me. Duck. Who's that? It's a duck. Duck says. Try with me. Sheep. And this is Fluffy Sheep. Sheep says. Try with me. Like and subscribe to Magic Kids World.